but what do you want, Viggo?
To compliment you, Hiccup. Your little group has had some impressive victories recently. Put quite the dent in my bottom line.
Glad to hear it.
You are a worthy opponent, and as such, this battle between us could continue for years to come.
Or what?
Or it could end today.
I accept your surrender.
Oh, it's good to see your sense of humor is still intact.
But I am offering a truce with very generous terms. We never have to fight again.
Hiccup, I'm not unreasonable. I have no desire to rule the world like...
Suddenly, I'm a businessman, and fighting is bad for business.
What about the Dragon Eye?
I'm afraid that's not part of the deal. I am willing to memorialize this deal now and end the bloodshed.
Are you?
I'll need to think about it.
Of course, all leaders should receive counsel, but in the end...
It's up to us, isn't it? Oh, how's Astrid's leg? Healing well, I trust. Time is of the essence, Hiccup.
Peace can be such a fragile thing.